So first, let's show you what a deal is, because this is what signals do, is they're going to open deals for you. So here I have block party signals, and it gave me a signal to buy MFT. So it opens with a small position, and it's going to take profit at a certain point, with this being 5%. And you can see here, if the price goes down, it's going to buy more. So we're going to get into this more in the DCA video. If you guys didn't watch that, go and watch that video. Let's actually go over to the marketplace now that we know what a deal is, because this is what our signals are going to start for us. So you can see here, there's certain ones that are free, certain ones that are paid. Let's click one of the free ones. I know this is a very popular one, and you can see they have different bot presets. You don't have to pay any subscription fee, and you can also see how many people are following this signal. And here there's some bots. So if you want to copy a bot, you can click copy, and you can see here that 5 users have copied this bot. And note, these bot settings are for Binance only. We're doing this in paper trading, which is not real money. So we can start it here. And boom, we've successfully started a bot based on this signal. And we can come back later and look at how this bot is doing to see if this is a signal we want to use in our real account. So now let's take a look at our paid signals. And we can sort by APY here to see what is going to give us the best returns. And one that I personally use here is this block party trading signals. So we'll show you how to set that up real quick. So if you click here, you can see they have a website, they have a Telegram as well, and they also have bot presets. So let's click this here, and we can see the profitability over the last month, pretty good. And we can start this bot in our account. If we want to change the amount that we put in, let's say we want to go with 10,000, we can click on edit settings, and I can change here the max active deals. So this is the maximum amount of trades that are going to be open. And we'll go into more of these settings in the DCA bot video, which you can click on up in the top right. So let's get this to 10,000. Okay, so we're going to do 30 max deals in our paper trading account. Our initial is going to be 10,000. So boom, bot turned on, and let's take a look and see if it's going to open any deals for us. Additionally, you can also go to the website for the signal. So for this one, it's blockpartytrading.com, and most of these paid signals will have a website or a Telegram channel if you have any questions and you want to ping them. So here, if I go to this page, they have more information about the bot, and you can see available for Binance US. So you might find some extra information about the bot. What are the advantages? You can also see here they provide the APY or the expected returns. There's a little quick start guide as well, along with some YouTube videos. So this is a great way to make sure that you're setting up everything correctly and you understand when and how to use this bot. Before I let you guys go, I want to touch briefly on this backtest.crypto-lights.com, as you can go and test any 3Commas signal from the marketplace and see what the best strategies are. So let's click this. So you're going to see the best strategies based on historical data, and if you want to create a bot using these settings, you can click new bot. There's also risk level down here, and it's important to pay attention to the way that the signal provider has set up their bot, because sometimes they have their settings that way for a reason. So make sure you understand all of this before you start running a bot in real money, and always paper test any small change that you make. Always paper test it before it goes live. And that's it. So much for watching. It means a lot to us. If you found this content helpful, smash that like button and leave us a comment down below. You can take part in all our research and analysis by joining us on our Discord community. The link is in the description below. And catch us live on our stereo podcast, Monday, Wednesday, Friday mornings for viewer Q&A. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.